Hi team. Today we are going to discuss about third part of the CIS Data Foundation exam series. These are the practice questions and answers. We have total 75 questions are there in real-time exam scenario. We have 90 minutes time is there. We should pass about 80% of above questions. So let's start. And one more time, CIS Data Foundation free certification voucher will end with the June 2026. And it's a mandatory prerequisite for all certifications of item, SecOps, and other item CMDB related certifications. The last date is the December 2026. So after December 2026, without CIS Data Foundation certification, remaining certifications are invalid. Let's start. Here the question is, a configuration management process owner needs to configure data manager for policy tasks to be correctly assigned and aligned with the group attribute assigned to a class in CA class manager. Which is the recommended field to be used for a policy task assignment? Option A, approval group. Option B, manager by group. Option C, change group. Option D, support group. So the exact answer is option B, manager by group. So what manager by group will do? In CA class manager, the manager by group indicates the responsibility for that CA class. Data manager uses this group for policy task assignments. And why other options are wrong? Why approval group is wrong? It's used for the approvals purpose only. For change group, related to change management, and support group for the support task, and it's not policy making ownership. Next question, 27th question. A CMDB CA class owner has been asked to change the icon for the Unix server class. Which CA class manager tab can the owner use to change the icon for the class? Option A, basic info. Option B, suggested relationship. Option C, CA list. Option D, attributes. So the exact answer is option A, basic info. So these Unix changes, icon changes, and name changes will belongs to the basic info. And here, class name, label, description, and icon settings are maintained under basic info in CA class manager. Why other options are wrong? Suggested related means it's used for the relationship suggestions. And why CA list means shows the list of CAs in that class. Attributes used for the fields and attributes. Next one. A configuration management governance team is transitioning from utilizing legacy CMDB status fields to CSDM lifecycle status field. Which table can be modified? So here option A, lifecycle stages, life underscore cycle underscore stage. Option B, life underscore cycle underscore control. Option C, life underscore cycle underscore stage underscore status. Option D, life underscore cycle underscore mapping. So the correct answer is life cycle mapping. So use it for the legacy. Legacy means outdated. Legacy CMDB states to the CSDM lifecycle stages. So use it for the life underscore cycle underscore mapping table. So why other options are wrong? Why lifecycle stages are wrong? Because it is used for the only stages: install, operate, and retire. And why lifecycle control will be wrong? It will be used for the governance control. And why lifecycle status is wrong? It is used for the storage, not mapping. And next question, a CMDB admin needs to prevent duplicate CA creation from import sets. How can this be done? Option A, create comparison rules in IRE. Option B, use CMDB transform util API. Option C, enable IRE in transform maps. Option D, set coalesce and mappings in transform map. The exact answer is option D, set coalesce and mapping in transform map. So it means coalesce is the used for the matches existing records and updates instead of inset and prevents duplication. So why other options are wrong? Why create comparison rules in IRE is wrong? It's not for the import sets. And why use CMDB transform utils API is wrong? It's not simplest solution. And enable IRE in transform maps is used for the not direct control here. Next question. CIS do not have a support group. How to auto-populate? Option A, dynamic CA group. Option B, technology management service. Option C, CA class manager. Option D, technology management service offering. The correct answer is technology management service. So it defines the ownership and assigns support group to the CIs. Next question. Where to review tasks generated from CMDB Data Manager? Option A, CMDB Health Dashboard to the duplicate CS and CMDB Workspace to the My Work. And C, Management CMDB Workspaces. And option D, in Audit CMDB Health Dashboard. So which option is correct? Where to review tasks generated from CMDB Data Manager? The correct answer is same option B, CMDB Workspace under My Work. Because My Work tab uses for the shows assigned remediation tasks and uses for the execution. Next question. Multiple discovery sources causing duplicates. What actions fix this? Choose any two options. Option A, standardize CA class using CA class manager. Option B, allow each source to define its own classes. Option C, implement identification reconciliation rules. Option D, use custom scripts. The correct answer is option A and C. Here, standardize CA class using CA class manager and implement identification and reconciliation rules. Next question. How to view CA relationship in CMDB workspace? Option A, relationship map. Option B, unified map. Option C, business service map. The correct answer is relationship map. So what relationship map will do? It shows the CA dependencies and connection flow. Next question. Hardware CS missing serial numbers. How to fix it? Option A, CMDB Data Foundation playbook. Option B, CA class manager. Option C, service graph connectors. The correct answer is option A, CMDB Data Foundation playbook. CMDB Data Foundation playbook. Hardware CS missing serial numbers. We can fix by CMDB Data Foundation playbook. So it's used for the improved data quality, fix missing fields, and drive cleanup actions. Next question. Service graph connector categories. Option A, workflow automation. Option B, cloud. Option C, DevOps. Option D, observability. Choose two. Here the correct answer is option B, cloud and observability. So common categories are the cloud integrations and monitoring observability tools. That's it, guys. See you in the next video with the next series. Thank you. Wish you all the best. If you have facing any difficulties regarding CIS Data Foundation exam or any doubts about classes, I will explain with the details. Please comment in the session. Thank you and wish you all the best.